So I had a student just ask about how to create a dot plot. So I thought I'd make a real quick recording using a question from inside my math lab. I'm going to go right here and click on Open in Excel. When it opens in Excel, I'm going to click on it down in the bottom left-hand corner, and then I'm going to go over here to this column and highlight column A, and over here in the top right, ask it to sort smallest to largest. I'm then going to go in on column B and start counting. Literally, I'm just numbering 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be 1, 2. And I'm going to keep going all the way down the screen until I get all of the pieces of data numbered. And these are going to be for our dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wonder which one's going to be the most. 10, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get the idea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2. And then once I have numbered, sorted and numbered, all of the data, I'm going to go grab, click in, and oh my goodness, come on, you can work. Grab all of the data for both columns. Scroll all the way down. So I've got all the data highlighted, and I'm going to go up to the top at the Insert tab, then click on Charts, All Charts, XY Scatter, and click there. And voila, I have just a beautiful scatter, a dot plot using the scatter, XY scatter plot. One other thing I was showing you all in class is how to go ahead and do the average. So I'm going to click down in this cell, and I'm going to start typing. And I can even click up here. I'm going to tell it equals average parentheses. And I need to know what cell I'm starting. So I got to scroll all the way up here. Right here, we're starting in A1. Oh my gosh, it worked. And and colon all the way down to A50, close parentheses. And when I hit return, you'll notice that we have our average for this entire list is 6.18 or 6 in 1800s. So this is a very quick way to create a scatter plot.